An Orlando attorney says it's time for Casey Anthony's defense to consider a plea or a different strategy.
Yeah, this comes after new revelations about a syringe containing traces amounts of chloroform that was found near Kaylee's remains and the discovery of coffin flies in Casey's car. West 2's Bob Keeling joins us live with more. And Bob, the defense is still maintaining someone else put Kaylee's body in the woods.
Yeah, that's right. And a defense attorney we've been consulting, Jim, says it appears they're ignoring mounting evidence that Casey was driving around with Kaylee's dead body in the car. And now, as you mentioned, what he calls a smoking gun, a hidden syringe containing traces of chloroform.
The coffin flies confirm what the chloroform suggests. The chloroform confirms what the coffin flies suggest.
Defense attorney Richard Hornsby says the new revelation of so-called coffin flies on several items taken from Casey's car prove that Casey knew she was driving around with Kaylee's dead body. He says the syringe containing traces of chloroform discovered hidden inside a Gatorade bottle near Kaylee's remains is a devastating revelation to the defense.
The chloroform, it's a smoking gun, it's a nail in the coffin. And what the duct tape is, though, I think the duct tape from the state's perspective is that's what supports the imposition of the death penalty.
Hornsby says there are multiple scientific opinions now to support Kaylee's remains being dumped in late June of last year and refuting the defense argument that someone else put them there after Casey was locked up.
The defense does have to face reality. All the pieces are in the puzzle now, okay? You might have a random piece here and there missing, but the state's got an extremely solid case now.
According to Hornsby, Jose Baez needs to abandon his all-or-nothing innocence defense and argue Kaylee's death was unintentional, not murder. But Casey would have to take the stand.
In order to put on any accidental type of defense, she has to testify. I'm not so sure that this defense team is even looking in that direction.
Now, for their part, Jose Baez and company can certainly argue there was all kinds of unrelated trash in the woods, including a bullet found near the remains. Still, Hornsby says the chloroform has come up too many times in web searches in the car, in the air in the car, to be yet another coincidence. All new at 6, we'll look at how and when this mystery syringe was discovered and look at the question of whether it may be the murder weapon. Live in the newsroom, I'm Bob Keeling, West 2 News.